I no longer connect any of my apps to my Claude Code anymore. Here's why. I now use Composio. Now, Composio is cool because what this does is it allows you to connect literally thousands of apps, right, to your Claude. Now, the reason why this is good is because if you just look at what, when you connect Gmail to your as a connector, you can barely do anything. You can't even send an actual email. Composio, on the other hand, allows you to do absolutely anything you want. You can even add multiple emails because Gmail doesn't, as a connector, doesn't only allows you to add one. Now, I've connected absolutely all of the apps that my agency and my company use. Now, I run a marketing company where we basically use AI to be able to create ad creatives, and we run paid ads and we scale ROAS. Is basically like really good. Now, anyway, I've connected absolutely everything from the ads managers to Shopify's to Airtable to our Slack to our Notion, absolutely everything on there. And now I have the ability for my Claude to do everything and just basically run my business to a certain extent. But yeah, follow for more. If you use Claude Code and you're constantly running out of tokens and credits, listen to this. Now, I will try my best to explain this as easily as possible for you to understand. But if you already use Claude Code, you should be able to grasp this, basically. Now, I recently came across, which is probably like mind-boggling, but I recently came across a Hermes agent. And what I've now done is hook up my Hermes agent to my Claude Code. And with Hermes agent, I am using the AI that's called Kimmy. Now, Kimmy only is like 0.005 cents for every 5 million or 1 million tokens, something like that. Whereas anything to do with like Anthropic, even let me just get it right now. Even Haiku is 1 to 5 per 1 million tokens, which is $1 to $5, which is still a lot, right? So what I've done is anything that is very, very easy that needs to get done on a daily basis or needs to be needs to run as a cron, constantly, will now be done or is now done via Kimmy, so the Hermes agent, and then it basically sends everything thereafter to Claude to be able to then use either Sonnet or Haiku or Fable or Opus, depending on the task, or depending on the task difficulty. And that it's working really well. So now my scraping, for example, I've built an agent that does a lot of scraping for leads. That happens because it understands what it needs to do now. It happens through Kimmy, and it's able to find thousands of more leads for pretty much nothing.